friends! Here is another lesson about how to use this phrase correctly. One of my plus plural noun plus is. But first, let's know the meaning of plural noun. Plural means more than one or many. Noun is name of persons, places, or things. The examples are friends, siblings, videos. Now let's take a look at these sentences and tell me if they're all correct. Number 1, one of my friends is living in Vietnam. Number 2, one of my siblings is planning to visit me. Number 3, one of my video is trending now. I repeat, are the 3 sentences correct? Yes or no? Here is the answer. Please take a look at all the sentences and try to figure out what is really wrong. And remember the title of this topic. One of my plus plural noun plus is. Number 1, one of my friends is. This means there is only one among my many friends. That is why we are using is. Number 2, one of my siblings is. Sibling means your brother or sister. For example, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Therefore, I have 4 siblings. So this phrase means one out of my 4 siblings is. Number 3, one of my videos is. I am using is because the subject is one, which means only one out of the many videos is. Now let's take a look at the 3 correct sentences. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Number 1, one of my friends is living in Vietnam. Number 2, one of my siblings is planning to visit me. Number 3, one of my videos is trending now. And that ends our topic for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.